Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Snapchat on your Android or iPhone. So first, make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, because you'll need an internet connection to download the app. Now, if you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Next, tap on the search bar at the top and type Snapchat. Once you see the official Snapchat app in the search results, tap on it. Now, tap the Install button on Android or Get on iPhone. The download will begin, and the time it takes depends on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, the Install or Get button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Snapchat for the first time. You can also find the Snapchat app on your home screen or in your app drawer anytime. Open it, then sign in with your existing account, or tap Sign Up to create a new one. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Snapchat. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.